Ir-riġenerazzjoni li għaddit minna l-belt fl-aħħar ftit snin flimkien ma' temp sabiħ fix-xhur xitwin huma fost il-fatturi li qed iwasslu għar-rekord wara ieħor fil-waslit tat-turisti f'Malta. L-għada l-uffiċju tal-istatistika ħabbar li għall-10 sena konsekuttiva il-waslit tat-turisti f'Malta żdiedu b'10 fil-mija One News iżżar il-belt u tkellem ma' bosta turisti li bla tlaqliq kienu lesti li għaddu kummenti pożittivi dwar pajjiżna.
Very, very nice. Lovely place. Nice people, nice weather, lovely surroundings, nice things to see.
Yeah, it's
Very
really
nice,
nice, isn't
very
it?
nice.
We've been here before.
It's beautiful. Yeah, we've only been here for a few hours, but we did a tour. Where did we go? Bit-Turisti. It's very pretty.
We thought it would be interesting to see Malta. We don't know much about Malta.
No, how have been?
It's very interesting. And we are happy we choose to come here.
People are so friendly and there's lots of things to do and the sun's shining, so couldn't get anything nicer.
We like it. We like it, especially we came from Ukraine, so it's a very beautiful country, very beautiful cities, and we have just many excursions. We like it very much.
Saħan sitra hemm ġi f'pajjiżna l-aktar minn darba.
Well, we love it. We've been here maybe about 4 or 5 years ago and everyone's very friendly, food's nice. It's not very far for us to fly. A lot of history.
And it gets better every time you come. I know it's more modern, but it looks, the culture is better here. It's a bit of Turkey, it's a bit of all sorts. And we travel the world a lot.
I like the history of Malta, and I like the northern part of Malta and Gozo where it's nice and free and not urbanized.
Il-kwistjoni tal-prezzijiet ifattur ieħor għax it-turisti jiġu f'pajjiżna madankollu kien hemm inħassu diżappuntat ukoll minħabba xi individwi li jażlu li jipprofittaw irwieħhom.
Why did you choose Malta?
Because it was cheap to come from the UK. And we'd never been. And it's warm in the winter.
Found it lovely. Very clean, very friendly, very nice. Very nice. And it's not a rip-off. It's good prices.
Yes, we found it very nice, but somewhat expensive. Paid €47 for a tour of the south of the island. The north. It didn't tell us that we would be taken to 2 tourist traps, to a glass blowing factory and a filigree factory. That wasn't what we came to Malta for.
Evidenti li fix-xhur tax-xitwa ikoll aktar popolari t-turiżmu kulturali fosthom ħarġiet fil-belt li mdina u postijiet kulturali oħra.